Welcome back to Official Senior Health. Imagine if just 4 simple exercises could completely transform your entire body, not just your muscles, but your energy, your posture, and even your mental clarity. Sounds impossible? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how this can happen. Change your body, your life, and your future. Let's dive in. We all want to feel stronger, healthier, and more vibrant, no matter our age. But the truth is, the best workouts aren't necessarily the most complicated or time-consuming ones. In fact, a few targeted, consistent movements can create massive changes throughout your body. These 4 exercises are chosen because they don't just work isolated muscles. They engage multiple parts of your body, improve your balance, flexibility, strength, and even your cardiovascular health. Whether you're in your 50s, 60s, or beyond, these exercises will meet you where you are and help you progress safely and effectively. And the best part? You can do them at home, no fancy equipment required. So, let's uncover these game-changing exercises and the incredible benefits they bring. Before we jump in, here's something to keep in mind. These exercises don't just make your muscles stronger. They can actually help improve your brain function and reduce the risk of falls, which is a major concern as we age. Science backs it up, and you'll soon see how powerful simple movement can be. Exercise 1. The squat, your ultimate full body strength builder. Let's start with the squat. This is not just a leg exercise. The squat is the foundation of all movement. It mimics how we sit, stand, pick things up, and climb stairs. Doing squats regularly helps you build strength in your legs, glutes, lower back, and core. Here's why squats are so transformative. They activate your largest muscle groups. Strong legs and glutes improve your metabolism, burn more calories, and support your joints, reducing the risk of knee and hip pain. But the benefits go beyond strength. Squatting regularly increases your balance and stability, which helps prevent falls, something every senior should prioritize. If you haven't squatted in a while, don't worry. Start by sitting down and standing up from a chair slowly. As you get stronger, lower yourself without the chair, keeping your back straight and knees aligned with your toes. This progression builds confidence and muscle over time. And here's a little secret. Adding just 3 sets of 10 squats to your day can improve your mobility, making everyday tasks like gardening, walking, or playing with your grandchildren easier and more enjoyable. Imagine the freedom that comes with moving without pain or stiffness. Many people avoid squats because they're worried about hurting their knees. But did you know that proper squat technique can actually strengthen your knees and protect them from injury? I'll guide you through how to do it safely, so your knees thank you instead of hurting you. Exercise 2. The push-up. More than just upper body strength. Next up is the push-up. One of the most effective exercises to strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. While push-ups might sound intimidating, especially if you haven't done them in a while, they can be modified for every fitness level. Why include push-ups? Because they build upper body strength crucial for daily activities, like lifting groceries, opening doors, or even pushing yourself up from the floor. Strong arms and shoulders also improve your posture, reducing neck and back pain caused by slouching. If a traditional push-up is too challenging, start with wall push-ups or incline push-ups against a sturdy table. This lowers the resistance while still activating the right muscles. Over time, as your strength improves, you can work your way down to the floor. Here's something amazing. Push-ups also engage your core muscles. Your abs and lower back work hard to stabilize your body as you push, giving you a mini core workout without any extra effort. And here's a bonus benefit. Doing push-ups can boost your cardiovascular fitness, especially when done in sets with little rest, helping your heart stay strong. Imagine being able to open heavy jars or carry your shopping bags without struggling. Push-ups can give you that power. You'll notice the difference in just a few weeks. Exercise 3. The plank, a core strength miracle. Now, let's talk about the plank, the king of core exercises. If you want a strong, stable core that supports every movement and protects your spine, the plank is your go-to move. Your core isn't just your abs. It includes muscles around your pelvis, lower back, and hips. When these muscles are strong, you reduce back pain, improve your balance, and enhance your overall mobility. Planking might seem simple, just hold your body off the ground, but it's incredibly effective. Start with short holds of 10-15 seconds, focusing on keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Don't let your hips sag or your shoulders creep up. Form matters more than duration. The best part? Planks don't require any equipment and take just a minute or two to do each day. As your strength grows, increase your hold times, or try variations like side planks to target different muscles. You'll notice your posture improving, which means less neck and shoulder pain, and even your breathing can get better because a strong core supports your diaphragm. Here's something you might not expect. Core exercises like planks can help reduce anxiety and improve your mood. Holding a plank requires focus and controlled breathing, which can calm your mind and reduce stress, an often overlooked benefit of exercise. Exercise 4. The bird dog. Balance and coordination for every day. Last but definitely not least is the bird dog. This exercise is fantastic for improving balance, coordination, and spinal stability, all essential for seniors or anyone wanting to prevent injuries. The bird dog targets your back, hips, and core muscles in a way that improves the way your brain and body communicate. It's a gentle movement but highly effective for retraining your muscles to work together. To perform it, start on your hands and knees, extend your right arm forward and left leg backward, hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Focus on keeping your back flat and your movements controlled. Doing bird dogs regularly can dramatically improve your posture, reduce back pain, and help prevent falls by making your balance sharper. Plus, it strengthens the often neglected muscles that support your spine and pelvis. By now, you might be wondering, how do I fit these exercises into my busy day? The truth is, you don't need hours at the gym. Just 15-20 minutes a day of these 4 moves can completely change how your body feels and functions. Start slow, stay consistent, and watch your transformation unfold. Why these 4 exercises? You might ask, why these 4 exercises specifically? The answer is simple. They target your entire body. Squats for legs and hips, push-ups for upper body and chest, planks for core, and bird dogs for balance and spinal health. Together, they create a well-rounded routine that strengthens, stabilizes, and improves flexibility. Plus, these exercises promote functional fitness. That means they help you with the movements you use every day. Not only will you look better and feel stronger, but you'll move better, reduce your risk of injury, and boost your overall quality of life. Here's the secret most people miss. Consistency beats intensity every time. It's better to do these exercises every day for 10 minutes than to push hard once a week and quit. Your body loves routine, and these simple movements, when done regularly, add up to remarkable changes. Before we wrap up, here are some important tips to keep your exercise journey safe and effective. Always warm up with some gentle stretching or walking. Listen to your body. If you feel sharp pain, stop and adjust. Focus on your form more than reps or speed. And don't forget to hydrate and get plenty of rest. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. So there you have it, 4 powerful exercises that can change your entire body and your life. From boosting your strength and balance to improving your posture and mental well-being, these moves are a complete package. If you're ready to feel more confident, more energetic, and healthier, start today. You don't need fancy equipment, expensive memberships, or hours at the gym. Just commitment, patience, and these 4 exercises. Thank you for watching Official Senior Health. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple health tips, and share this with someone who needs a little extra motivation today. Your journey to a stronger, healthier body starts now, and I'm cheering you on every step of the way.